Hi friends, this video is about how to connect mobile screen to your laptop. Let's get started. First, make sure that both mobile and laptop is connected to same Wi-Fi network. On your laptop, right-click on Windows icon and then go to Settings. Now here click on Settings. After that, on the left-hand side, you will see option Projecting to this PC. Click on it. Once you're done, click on Launch the Connect app to Projecting to this PC. Now move to your mobile or phone device. Slide from top to see more options. Now here find option called Cast, Screencast, Screen Mirroring, etc. Because each mobile model has different name for screencasting. After that, click on Cast option. Here it shows you your laptop casting name. Click on it to connect your mobile screen to laptop. As you see now, my mobile screen is casted successfully on my laptop. To end mobile screen casting, you just need to turn off the casting option. Through this easy way, you can connect mobile screen to your laptop. If you find my video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.